Hello students, welcome back to the channel again. Students, let's move for the today's question. Today's question is, calculate the weight of FeO produced from the 2 gram of FeO and 5.75 gram of Fe2O3 is there. Also report the limiting reagent. Here we need to report the limiting reagent also. Okay, let's go with the problem. Students, first we need to check the reaction. Okay, what they are giving? The reaction is vanadium oxide plus Fe2O3, right? Fe2O3 produces FeO plus Fe2O5. Here we need to calculate how many weight of FeO produced and what is the limiting reagent. My dear students, what is limiting reagent? Limiting reagent का मतलब क्या है? Limiting reagent is nothing but the reagent it is responsible for completion of the product or the complete product. Means we have a reagent, that reagent completely converted as a product. Correct? Now, according to this reaction, let's take this reaction is balanced. No sir. Balancing reaction is must probably is important. For that, first let's go into balance the reaction first. Students, look here. In the right side, we have a iron. We have a iron oxide, vanadium, and the oxygen is there. First, I am going to balance the vanadium first. Here we have a total 2 vanadium. That's why in reactant side, I am introducing 2 vanadium valence. Now let's move for the oxygen. What in the case of oxygen? Here 2 plus 3, 5 is there. Here 6 is there. Now what I am doing? I am converting both because here is in the odd number. Now that's why I convert. I am going to convert this oxygen or the total oxygen in odd. Okay, in odd. What I am doing? I am introducing 6 in the FeO. Then how many oxygen we get? 6 plus 5, 11. And also 6 iron is there. That's why I am multiply 3 for the Fe2O3. Now the reaction is balanced. So check again. 2 vanadium S sir, oxygen 2 plus S. It is already balanced. According to balanced reaction, my dear students, 2 mole of FeO responsible for producing 6 mole. Again 3 mole, 6 mole. Correct. Now let's go with the weight. Let's calculate the number of moles of FeO and Fe2O3. First, let's calculate the number of FeO. For that, we need a molecular weight of FeO, right? What is the molecular weight of FeO? FeO, molecular weight, vanadium, oxidation, vanadium. What is the atomic number of vanadium? It is 23, right? 23. It is from the D block element, 23, and its molecular weight is 50. Correct. Now oxygen 16. 50 plus 16. How much? It is 66. This is the molecular weight of a FeO. Again, let's calculate the all molecular weight, my dear students, the useful molecular weight. Then let's move for the molecular weight of Fe2O3. Here Fe2O3. 2. Iron molecular weight, how much? Iron molecular weight is a 55.8 plus oxygen. Here we have a 3 molecule of oxygen with a 16 is the atomic weight. Atomic weight. Then how much we will get? If you calculate this, you will get a 160. Again, we required FeO. It is very important. Now FeO, iron oxide, iron 55.8 plus oxygen, it is 16. We will get 61.8. Correct. Now 61 or 71. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 1 S 61 or 71, it is 71.8. Correct. Now 71.8. Calculate again. Yeah, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. S 71.8, my dear students. This is the atomic weight of the required one. Now my dear students, look here. Let's move for the calculation of FeO, moles of FeO, number of moles of FeO. N is equal to how much weight they are giving? 2 gram. 2 divided by what is the actual molecular weight? 66. If you calculate this, how much you will get? You will get 0.0298 of FeO. Again, next calculate the number of moles of Fe2O3. Number of moles of Fe2O3 is given by N is equal to how much weight they are giving? 5.75 gram overall divided by what is the molecular weight? 160. If you calculate, you will get a 0.0359. Correct. Now 0.029, 0.0359. It's the mole what they are giving. Now my dear students, according to balanced reaction, look here guys, I am changing the color now, pen color. Okay, let's take the pink. Okay, here look here, my dear students, 2 mole, it is responsible to producing 6 mole, right? Here what is the actual mole? What the mole we have? We have a totally 0.0298 mole required to produce X mole. Okay, then we already know how to calculate. Here we need to calculate weight. Weight how to calculate? Into molecular weight. That's why here I calculate a molecular weight. Now gram. X is equal to, my dear students, cross multiplication, simple cross multiplication, 6 into 0.298 divided by 2 into that weight. How much weight? 71.8. If you calculate this, you will get the answer as a 6.4 gram. Okay, 6.4 gram by VO. By what? VO, vanadium oxide. Okay. Now let's calculate the same thing by using. Let's calculate the same thing by using what? Fe2O3. By using Fe2O3, let's move for the Fe2O3. Here also what? According to the stoichiometry, 3 mole responsible for producing 6 mole. 3 mole, it is responsible for producing 6 mole. In this case, my dear students, how much mole we have? We have a 0.303 mole, we have 0.0359 mole. It is responsible to produce X mole. Then calculate the X, my dear student. X is equal to 6 into 0.0359 overall divided by 3 into molecular weight. What is the molecular weight of a FeO? It is 71.8. If you calculate that, you will get 5.16 gram. Students, I already say you, the reagent which is responsible to produce complete product, it is called as a limiting reagent. Here, look here, by using VO we are getting 6.4, 5.16. According to that, here students, how many FeO we are getting? 5.16 gram is getting, which is the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is the Fe2O3, Fe2 iron oxide is the Fe2O3 is the limiting reagent. Fe2O3 is the LR limiting reagent. I hope it's clear, guys. Let's quickly summarize. First we need to balance that one. What I am doing, I am introducing 2 here, and then now we need to calculate the number of moles responsible to producing a product. According to this, by using a VO we are getting 6.4 gram, and by using the Fe2O3 we are getting 5.16 gram. That's why Fe2O3, it is responsible for producing the total FeO. That's why Fe2O3 is the limiting reagent. This is about today's question. If you have cleared this one, then please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you so much.